What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. Super excited for today. Actually, kinda. So for today, guys, my car seems to, for some reason, have a misfire. So obviously in one of the cylinders that we replaced, maybe one of the connectors I didn't push in all the way. So first things first, we have to get over to my parents' house and let's see what we can't fix. See if we can't take out the spark plug cover and then see if any of the wires are disconnected and if we have to replace anything.
Feels like every time you look at me that way, you feel the love in your heart, but you don't know what to say.
For some reason, it's not acting like there's a spark plug broken or something. It seems to only do it when I do a hard acceleration and then it goes into limp mode. So let's see if we can take it apart and see what happens. It might be some vibration or something that's causing it to fall apart or not have a good connection. One acceleration and now it's saying this. It has that and then it's flashing. Look, see, it's saying it's flashing, no spark. So let's get over to my mom's house and see if we can't fix that. There you go, guys. This stuff is amazing. I don't know why. This is like water chestnuts to me. And the fact that Mighty Mango tastes funky, but it's like a good funky, you know? Because like, I always like going back to them. It's a very intriguing flavor, just like water chestnuts, even though people say they don't taste like anything. All right, back to the car. In case you're wondering, yes, that was my breakfast.
But it feels like every time you look at me that way.
Knowing that this one just came right out, probably this one. Okay, so I don't have any electrical conductive gel, so I actually just made some. I know you guys are wondering how I made this. Well, I made it actually from aloe vera and salt. And then you kind of leave with this paste, you know. So I'm gonna take this paste and just kind of rub it on the connectors. Once I rub it on the connectors, should hopefully make a good connection. Okay. See if that works. And just like that, our problem's fixed. With that all together, let's give it a little test drive because it seems that it always stops working when I do an acceleration test. So let's do an acceleration test, drive to Pep Boys and see if we can't get that code cleared. Beep, 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 beep. All right, let's go to Pep Boys.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.